How to easily add plugins in WordPress. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. If you're a WordPress user, you most likely have heard about plugins. These plugins are essential to optimize your website's design, functionality, and user experience. In this video, we'll show you the different ways to add plugins in WordPress and make the most of them. Narration. Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to add plugins in WordPress. In this video, we'll take you step by step on how to do it. Narration. But before we start, let's understand what plugins are and how they can help improve your website's performance. Narration. Plugins are essentially software programs that add new features and functionalities to your WordPress website. They are incredibly beneficial, especially for non-technical users, as they require no coding to use. Narration. Now let's get started on how to add plugins in WordPress. The first and easiest method is to do it through the WordPress dashboard. Let's take a look. Narration. From the dashboard, go to the Plugins menu and select Add New Plugin. You can then search for plugins by categories, popularity, and keywords. Once you've found a plugin, simply click on Install Now and activate it once it is downloaded. Narration. The second method is manually installing the plugin by downloading it from a third-party website. This method requires you to upload the plugin to your website and then activate it from the WordPress backend. Narration. Keep in mind that installing plugins from untrusted sources can harm your website and severely jeopardize your website's security. It is always advisable to only download plugins from trustworthy websites. Narration. Now that you know how to add plugins in WordPress, let's look at some essential plugins that most WordPress users will benefit from. Narration. Firstly, we have Yoast SEO, which helps optimize your website for search engines. Secondly, we have WP Forms, which is an excellent plugin for creating online forms. Lastly, we have Jetpack, which is the ultimate all-in-one plugin for WordPress. Narration. And there you have it, how to easily add plugins in WordPress. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.